How to export Canva to PowerPoint with animations. Hello everyone and welcome back. So a lot of times when I am designing my presentations on Canva, they look beautiful. If I present this presentation, you guys can see it's so beautiful and the animations look stunning. However, when you try to export these animations, if I click on share and then click on download, and I download this as a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, you guys can see that my video, audio, and animations won't play when exported like so. But if I click on download, I'll show you guys what's going to happen in the PowerPoint version of my presentation. And I'm going to show you guys an alternative way to export your Canva presentations into PowerPoint with the animation. So this is my PPT version, and if I open this up, this is what it looks like. Now, if you guys can see, it looks pretty much the same, but it's not animated the same. And we can view our PowerPoint version in, the presentation version, and you guys can see only the page-to-page animations have been applied. Whereas if you viewed my original version of this presentation like so, it has so many different animations that are not limited to just, these individual animations of sliding, but the first page has, such beautiful animations. So the way that you're going to export your Canva presentation from this to directly be the same is to download each individual page as a MP4. Now, this applies for all the pages that have individual page animations. You guys can see that PowerPoint did apply these transitions, but it didn't apply animations. So if I have things such as bounce effects over here, and I'll add a couple of more animations so you guys can better see, like this or like this. So if I have multiple different animations on every single page, then I'm going to have to download every single page. But this page, for example, it only has the animation of the transition and no other animation. So it can honestly be imported directly as it was. But for my first two pages, I want them to be like I saw them on Canva. So I'm going to click on share and then click on download. Then I'm going to select the option of MP4 video. Once I do that, I'm going to choose the pages as separate files. Now, this is up to you if you want to do this. If you have Canva Pro, you can do it and have every single page be downloaded as a separate MP4 file, and then it just allows you to add those pages directly into your PowerPoint. But if you don't have Canva Pro, then you're going to select page 1, then click on done, click on download. But because I have Canva Pro, so I'm just going to click on download and then select my file type as MP4. Download everything as separate pages, and then click on download over here, and now my MP4 files are being downloaded. And it might take longer for my complete MP4 version of my presentation to be downloaded because it has over 11 pages. And you guys can see the video has been downloaded. This is the video. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up PowerPoint, and I'm just going to add a new slide over here, and I'm just going to show you guys how to add it. And you're just going to click on over here, click on insert, and you can insert pictures, so you can browse from files and you can upload your downloaded files. But this is picture. We actually have to insert animations or videos. So what I'm going to be doing is to go into here, and I'm just going to open up my Finder, and in my Finder I'm going to select my MP4 video. I'm just going to drag and drop this over here, and you can just go into video format once you do that, and this is what the video is going to look like. Whereas this is what the animation on PowerPoint was looking like, where it had no animations. So this is the page we just added, like this. And then this is the page that Microsoft added. So now that we have added our video, the next step is to actually make it look like it's seamlessly integrated. So what you're going to do is click on playback, and this is the first page, and I want it to start automatically. And then once I have this, I want it to play in full screen. And now if I click on present over here, it's automatically playing. However, there's still one little issue. Even when it's automatically playing, you can see this loading bar or play bar at the bottom, which does not look very nice. So for that, what you're going to do is you're going to click on video border and click on no video border. So you want to select no outline over here. And in that, you also have your general frames for the video. And what we're going to do is ensure that these borders are removed. So in our playback, we have hide during show. And then after that, we're going to again play our video. And if I hover my cursor, it's appearing. But if I don't hover my cursor, you guys can see if I go back, I'm just going to go into my section pane in my video border. We're just going to decrease the size on this. And I'm going to make sure it fits first. It should fit nicely. And then in this, we have play automatically. And then after that, we are going to let it play. The video format is correct. Then we have several different overlays we can add as well, but we're not going to add any of those. And in this, if I go into no outline, we can go into transitions, we have our slideshow, media control. Yeah. So you're going to turn off your media controls and you can play your narrations. We're not going to be playing narrations. Then we're going to play from start, and you guys can see that the loading bar, the little, bar at the bottom has been removed because we've removed those. And just like that, you can manually add each individual page. Now we downloaded the full version. So if you see over here, I have a zipped version. If I open up the zipped file, all of my slideshow files have been added like so. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. I'm going to order these by name. And I can just add these as each individual pages on my PowerPoint, and then I will have it presented exactly like the way it was presented on Canva, and you have this perfect presentation. Now, if you want to elevate your presentations further on Canva, you can decorate them with multiple different types of elements, graphics, and if you're ever in the search of a graphic, for example, I like this graphic. What you do is whenever you click on something, it's going to give you magic recommendations, and then you can click on see all, and it's going to suggest similar items. Additionally, if you find certain fonts of a style that you like, if you go into search graphics and I search for F, I really like this style. Then if I click on see all, I can see other similar font styles, and I can actually view more by the same author or designer, and they probably have uploaded the entire alphabet in that particular style. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any comments, make sure to leave them down below if there's anything else you would like help with on Canva. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.